Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Outside the car there's 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 4,000 miles and is packed full of great tech. You also get lane positioning assistance, speed limit recognition, there's blind spot detection. The car can also call emergency services in the event of an accident. But if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.